We're now removing the front piece here. It's a 6x6. We thought it was mainly rotten, but it turns out it's only partially rotten. And we had a heck of a time getting this piece out. I had to cut 2 cuts up in, make a V-joint, and then keep taking pieces out. And then finally I got it far enough that it broke off the very top. Of course, we had some big nails coming in here, which definitely helped hold it. So now what we're going to do is chisel that so we have some fresh wood. Probably have to remove the top boards also, back about a foot, but we're not going to do that yet. We need to start getting this corner. We're going to start putting our 6x6s on here, or our 1x6s, until we have brought it out to where it's supposed to be, and then we can redo this whole corner and start getting our braces in, or our posts, our final posts, and then we can remove these posts. So that's where we're at.